Hey guys, so we made it to Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario. It's about an 8-hour drive from Toronto. I'm right here on the boardwalk. There's my buddy Sujan right there. You can see that is Michigan right there. If you go further down, you can literally just swim over to the States. The mall right there. It's pretty cool. It's not that bad. There's a bunch of houses that I'm gonna check out today. I'm gonna go to one of the properties that I'm BRRRRing right now. Show you guys that tomorrow morning. So yeah, see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, this is Keith. So we made it here to 16 Hawthorne Avenue, and I'm gonna show you guys the house I'm working on right now. So basically this house is it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. Let me just show you guys. So that's pretty much the house. Ignore the van, that's just one of my that's the painters. So he came over here to paint the house today. Alright guys, so give the camera to Sujan, so we're gonna head inside the house. Let's go. But yeah, we decided to keep it. The house came with this. So I decided, yeah, we're not gonna take it off, we're gonna keep it. That was the advice that I got from the general contractor. So we kept that, we kept this. We're gonna redo the light here at the top. And yeah, we're gonna keep everything else the way it is. Check it out. This is the main living room here. So the biggest problem we had is there's a hole in this. There was a hole in the ceiling here in the living room. It was from a leak, so there's some plumbing issues. So what I did is we got a plumber to come check out the plumbing. Turns out that's not really what it was. It was actually a leak in the roof. So there's something wrong with the roof. Water was draining down. There was a massive hole. So you can see that there's four or six tiles that were replaced over here. So that was one thing that we made sure to cover the cost of. Well, I made sure to get that renovation cost done ahead of time. I didn't really know it was a leak. It cost a little extra money, but then when I budgeted it, I made sure that there was enough room that I wouldn't go over for the project. Yeah, let's check out the other room here. So and this one, all of the drywall needed to be redone. It was really bad. So they pretty much got rid of everything, and then we put up a new drywall, picked that wall over there. And then same thing with the ceiling. The ceiling was completely coming apart. So new ceiling drywall over there, and they're gonna paint it and everything like that too. But keep the rentals very basic rental upgrades types of rentals. Nothing too fancy at all. And check this out. This is pretty messy because people are still doing work right now. This is the kitchen. So when it comes to the kitchen, again, I kept that wall there. It came with the house already. Same thing with this wall over here. Kitchens are really expensive to do, right? So are bathrooms. But depending on the community, you don't want to overdo it. Why would you, right? Why would you want to have a really expensive kitchen, a really expensive bathroom in a community where none of the other houses have that, right? You want your house to look like all the other houses down the street. Right? That's how you get comparable value. So we're pretty much keeping this exactly the way it is, but we're going to make some modifications. We're going to change up the hinges, repaint it so it looks nicer, and clean it up, pretty much. But once we do that, it'll look nicer than it is now. Right, so repaint it, put new knobs on it, new hinges on it, and it'll look brand new. It's good enough. We'll get some microwaves and appliances too, so I still gotta work on that. We'll probably buy that on Kijiji or something instead of buying brand new. Again, helps with saving costs. So that's what you want to do. Gonna check this out here too. That goes down to the basement. The basement's kind of scary, but let's check this out. So the foundation here is good. The home inspection was done. There's nothing wrong with it, but it is really old. So that's why it looks, kind of funky, because the house was built in 1900s and it was renovated one time, I think, only. So I'm the second person to renovate it. And watch your step when you guys come down. can put the flashlight on the thing too, right? Or no?
I have no idea.
I think there's gotta be a light here somewhere. I don't know where it is. But yeah, so this is a washer and dryer right there. It came with the house, and I'm obviously keeping it. I'm not gonna replace it because they're pretty much brand new. And it works very well too. You good? But yeah, so the one thing that I made sure to check is the edges over here. Because this is an older house, they have a different system. Like, if there's any water or whatever that comes down, it'll get like drained out. So I had that inspected and cleaned out, so then it should be okay. So yeah, you guys can tell it's really old. You guys yeah, furnace is up to date, so that's pretty good too. Alright, so we'll probably go upstairs. There's a painter up there, so I'm gonna try not to bother him. But check it out. In terms of the stairs, I'm probably not gonna do too much really. We ripped out the carpet because it was old and it smelled. So we have these nice floors. We'll just do something with that, something basic. Definitely gonna change all the light fixtures so they look more modern. That's pretty cheap. It's not too expensive to do. So this is the bathroom. So when it comes to the bathroom, you got a tub. We're just gonna do a little bit of caulking there. Probably get the walls painted. You gotta put a mirror. But the toilet's fine, it works good. Just gotta clean it up. It's gonna look a lot different when it's fully done. Windows are good. They don't need replacing, so that's a good thing. Those are expensive. This is like a living space, kind of like a bedroom. It's supposed to be a 2-bedroom, but there's another room here, which is convenient. But yeah, we kept the walls. There's really nothing to do. It's just sweep up and maybe get the siding down there, and that's pretty much it. And paint. And this room would be good to go after it's fully clean, and changing the light fixture, of course. Well, this is the master bedroom. Check it out, guys. Just getting painted right now. But yeah, they ripped out the carpet from here, right? Which was awesome because the carpet had a terrible smell.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, it did. I think there's still carpet in like one of the closets. That one. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it. But yeah, so I'm looking forward to what it's gonna look like. This is the lamp area. It's going around.
No, that was here.
That was already here? No way. Sweet. But yeah, and then you got a closet here and a closet there too. This is our closet.
Sweet. Joe.
Yeah, man. Alright, let's go downstairs.
Okay, let me take a...
So that was the full tour of the house. I'm going to make sure I make another video and explain to you guys how long the renovations took. It's already a month and a half in right now. I assume it's going to take a total of 2 to 3 months-ish. Make sure to run the full numbers and tell you exactly how much the bank appraises the house for. Not quite sure, especially with how much the interest rates are going up right now, but I do believe I'm going to be able to get at least 75% loan to value. So look forward to that. Thank you for watching, and hit that subscribe button. Take care, guys.